Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following question is asking about the highlighted portion of the sentence beginning with Goddard. So let's read this. Goddard discovers that with a properly shaped, smooth, tapered nozzle, he could increase the ejection velocity 8 times with the same amount of fuel he would use for a less aerodynamic shape. Absolutely nothing wrong with discovers that here. Though, let's go ahead and see if we find something better. Discovered that. Oh, okay, so now we're switching it to the past tense. Let's go ahead and see what tense we've used for verbs following Goddard in the past. So Goddard is this doctor whose experiments we're considering up here. So his experiments, he wrote a brief essay. So this should be actually in the past, and discovers that is in the present. So that's going to actually take away answer choice A as a good consideration. Now, Goddard discovered, comma, that with a properly shaped, comma, smooth, etc., wouldn't be okay because when you have the subject here is Goddard and the verb is discovers, when you have an object following a verb, what he discovered, a properly shaped, smooth taper could increase. You're not going to break this up with a comma. A comma is going to be to break up different clauses, and the object is going to be part of this clause. So that's going to make this sentence incorrect. Okay, so Goddard will discover, so now it's in the future. Again, we use the past before, we want to keep it that way. Discovered that, past no comma. This looks like the best answer choice. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.